Welcome back, guys. My name is Rohan Bijou, and today we're gonna look at an all-star bundle by Razer, and this is sort of like a Costco bundle. It's like a ton of awesome stuff for a very affordable price. So you get like a mouse, keyboard, mat, and an awesome headset at a very good price. You actually get it like $100 lesser than if you bought all of them at like separate times. So I think it's really cool, and I've tried it out and I have some thoughts about it. So if you want to know more about these specs, unboxing, and my opinion about this product, please continue watching. And before that, subscribe to this channel if you find this helpful and leave a like button to support me. So without further ado, let's begin the video and welcome to Techno Review. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing actually. As you can see, these are all the items. In the box, there is a Razer Blackshark V2X gaming headset. There is a Razer Viper RGB optical gaming mouse. There is a Razer Ornata V2 RGB gaming keyboard, and there is a Razer Gigantus V2 XXL mouse pad. And the Razer Ornata V2 has, an armrest, a cushion. Okay, so let's actually begin opening the box. Okay, so we have all the items inside, and this is what it looks like when it's stacked. Okay, so let's start from the base up. Let's first open the mat. As you can see, it's rolled up really nicely, and it actually feels very soft, very smooth. I think a mouse would definitely glide on this surface. Okay, so let's take the Viper out of the box. As you can see, it comes with a booklet, and then here is the mouse. It's actually very nice. It's very clicky, as you may say, but yeah, it's very cool. It uses optical mouse switches, which are 3 times faster than mechanical switches. Really like it. Very good design. This is my first impression of it. Next, let's look at the keyboard, and the keyboard is an Ornata V2. Very nice. It is RGB. Okay, there's some booklets. Let's take those out. And this is what the keyboard looks like. Very cool, very nice keyboard, first impressions. And also you get a separate wrist rest, and this is leatherette. And this magnetically attaches to the keyboard. This may be a problem, I'm not sure. But like when you attach it, it might move a lot, but it seems like a pretty strong magnet. Pretty strong. Let's finally take out the Blackshark V2X, and this is one of the best over-ear headphones by Razer. That's what I've heard. Let's test it out. It's very cool looking. It looks very comfortable too. And this has a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and there are adapters for it. And I'm gonna try these out. All of these look awesome. My first impressions of these seem very high quality, very durable. I mean, for this price, to the price of this whole bundle, I keep on saying it's affordable, but the price of this bundle is $149.99. But like if you get everything together, it's like $250, and this is exactly $100 less, and that's awesome. For this price, I mean, when you think about it, if they decrease it by $100, how much are they overpricing this? That's food for thought. So let's continue and let's move on to specs. Okay, so let's talk about the specs of all these products that we found in the All-Star Bundle. So let's first start with the Razer Ornata V2. So this has a Razer hybrid mecha membrane technology. This is like, it's kind of mechanical. Well, no, it's kind of like a tactile brown, but not really. It's like sort of a hybrid in between. It's not technically a mechanical keyboard, but somewhere in between. This has multi-function digital wheel and media keys. There are separate media buttons, and there is a scroll wheel. You can also raise and reduce volume with it. And this has Razer Chroma RGB, the RGB lights. It has a plush leatherette economic wrist rest. Pretty cool. It's magnetic, as I said before. And the keys are also fully programmable. And there is also a cable routing option so that you have a very clean setup. Okay, so next, let's talk about the Blackshark V2X, and that's the headset. It has Razer TriForce 50mm drivers. It has Razer HyperClear Cardioid Mic. It has advanced passive noise cancellation, and also it's 240 grams and it's lightweight, and it has memory foam ear cushions so that it feels comfortable. It's awesome. It has 7.1 surround sound, and also you can they give you a specific card to activate it. You don't really have to, but there's a card for that. And there is cross-platform compatibility for use for almost all devices. Like, it has a 3.5mm jack. Okay, so next let's talk about the Viper. So the Razer Viper has optical mouse switches, and it's 3 times faster than mechanical switches. It has Razer 5G optical sensor for precise tracking accuracy. It has onboard DPI storage, so for personalized, and that's for personalized settings wherever you go. And it is 69 grams. It's very lightweight and it glides. Very cool. And the cable it uses is Razer SpeedFlex cable. I mean, now there's some specs for the mat. It's textured microweave cloth surface. It has thick, high-density rubber foam, and it has an anti-slip base. So that is basically it for the specs. So now my basic opinion. First of all, I want to tell the things that I absolutely loved. The headset was amazing, really good, very good microphone quality. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to test it out and show you guys, but amazing microphone quality, very good sound quality. As a matter of fact, this is definitely better than most over-ear headphones I've ever heard. Yeah, it's very comfortable, no pressure points, there's no aches. It's awesome, very good job, Razer. And also next, we got the keyboard. Mixed feelings about it. It's pretty nice. I've not used a mechanical keyboard before, and I'm kind of like an Apple Mac keyboard, butterfly keyboard. I don't really prefer it, but that's what I use right now. But mechanical keyboard is something I definitely look forward to. It's amazing, very good functionality. Clicking noise is obviously a very good part. And obviously I'm not experienced in like differentiating like mechanical keyboards, what parts they use, but personally I like it. I don't know if pro gamers, if you're watching, I don't know if you like it, but it's pretty good for an average user. The mouse is amazing, very good mouse. Like with the combo with the mat and the mouse, it's amazing. Glides very well, very good control, amazing. Honestly, there's not much. It's not that bad. I actually love this. I actually connected to my Xbox, and it's pretty. And also, I just found out. Just for disclaimer for you guys, there are only certain games you can play with a keyboard and mouse. And I only got to play those games. I don't play much often. It's my first time playing, but I kind of enjoyed them. It was pretty good. Okay, so that's my basic opinion. Now I play really badly. Just to let you guys know. Now I can play even worse with the keyboard and mouse. And I hope you found this unboxing and like me throwing specs at you really helpful. Click here to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. You can recommend whatever products you want in the comments, and you can give me advice. I don't know, if there's something I need to improve on, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you in the next one. Peace.